doesn't mean it's really going to take off or fly really fast. It needs a lot of adjustments, it needs a lot of tuning. I can really relate those principles in my life. You constantly need to adjust the circumstances and face them. I love to fly, it just gives me my peace of mind.
I'm trying to make a replica of birds to paper. So I'm just trying to give a heart to a paper. I just wanted to behave exactly like a bird, and I wanted to be able to do anything which a bird can do.
The stability of the plane and the wings has to be perfect, in fact the same proportion.
I'm going in the aerobatics category. So this is what I have made. It's all about thrust, it's all about the flow.
It's a proudest moment, I should say, because I'm going to Austria and representing my country.
I'll be representing India and Austria, so obviously it feels amazing.
It's great, Salzburg. I'm coming.